Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials. In this video we are going to be learning how you can upload photos or videos on Discord. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. So what you need to do is, let's say we are on a server. Here you can see we have this plus icon before our chat. You can click on that, and now we have this option to upload a file. Click on that and you will be able to see that we are now directed towards our local storage, from where we can select any of the pictures, videos or anything. Once you select that, you can simply click on open and you can see it is now uploaded. Similarly, if you are in any person's direct message, you can simply choose this plus icon again, and from there you can see we have this option to upload a file, and again you are now directed towards your local storage. So that's a pretty simple process on uploading videos and photos to Discord. I really hope you understood the concept and learned something new. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.